Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as promised, we're going to be working on this car. We're going to see if we can finish it today. We were waiting for the parts, but we finally got them, so let's get to it. You can see it's all bent. That's how they should look, all flat. That's what took all the damage in the car. That was mainly all the damage it was. And you can see it's all bent. And upon a closer inspection, you can see big hairs on the steel. A lot of force to rip the steel. And it was in two places. One right here. Right there. There's a lot of force. There's a big impact. Well, you guys, now we're gonna remove the drive shaft. I'm gonna lower this out of the car just a little bit, just so that I can keep all the fluid on the right hand side and not steal any of the transmission fluid, because that is a sealed transmission and you can add more fluid, but it's a pain in the neck, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna lower this side a little bit and remove the drive shaft. See guys, it's pretty damaged right there, you see that? And once you rotate it, it's actually low. So it took a lot of convincing to get this out, because it's pretty stuck in there. But finally got it. Now we have to keep that the same. Put you guys right here. Alright, so you guys, basically what we did is we removed the sway bar. We removed this nut. We removed this bolt. And also the bracket, which is this one. And this one has a nut right here, you can see it. Okay. These right here. This is a brand new drive shaft. That's the transmission right there. And this is the pan that I put in for fluid. As you can see, my trick works. There's no fluid. Nothing came out of the transmission. So we are good to go. Just gonna finish putting all this nuts back together, and we'll be done with the suspension.
bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing on these broken dreams tonight.
This is it. Car's driving good. We're doing 40 miles an hour. Go 60 miles an hour. The car feels good. The only issue I have is the steering wheel is not straight. Well, we can fix that. That's just an alignment issue. Right now I'm going to the gas station to put air on those tires to get rid of this light right here. But everything seems to work fine. So there you go. 40 miles an hour. And I'm just coasting. I'm not even putting gas. I'm just coasting it. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. That will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. Push the notification button. That way you get notified every single time I make a video. As of right now, the car's in the shop. I haven't had it for a couple of days. I should be getting a call anytime now. So once I get it back, I'll show you guys. I'll give you a walk around. Meantime, sit tight. Keep watching my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.